The Linear Regression Channel by Chart Prime. A powerful tool that's been around for years, trusted by thousands of traders worldwide for spotting trends and catching reversals. But here's what most people miss. There's a specific way to use this indicator that transforms it from a simple trend tool into a precision entry system, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it. Now, let me show you how to get this set up properly. Open TradingView. If you don't have an account yet, there's a link in the description below. Once you're in TradingView, pull up whatever market you want to trade. Could be your favorite stock, a crypto pair, anything really. Click on the Indicators tab at the top of your screen, and in the search box, type in Linear Regression Channel. You're looking specifically for the one published by Chart Prime. When you see it, just click to add it to your chart. This tool uses linear regression mathematics to create visual channels and bands right on your price chart. What you get is a clear view of the dominant trend, precise identification of stretched market conditions, and reliable hints about the next probable price direction. Looking at your chart now, you'll notice these channel structures and bands overlaid on the price action. The central channel reveals the overall market direction, with red coloring the lower section and blue highlighting the upper section. You get instant visual feedback on market flow. The linear regression bands function as your key boundaries, marking the zones where price becomes stretched beyond normal levels. Price near the top band signals overbought territory, while price near the bottom band indicates oversold conditions. Here's what makes this interesting. When price visits that lower band, it means sellers have completely lost steam. This becomes a really attractive area to start looking for buy opportunities. On the flip side, when price hits that upper band, buyers are exhausted. That's where you want to be thinking about potential sells. But what happens when price actually breaks outside these bands? That's signaling an extremely strong push, and price has entered what I call no man's land. To help you figure out when price is going to snap back into the normal range after one of these breaks, the indicator plots these reversal diamond signals. Let me explain how this works. If price breaks below that lower band and then you see a blue diamond pop up, that's the indicator telling you the price is about to reverse and head back up into the channel. For short trades, it's the opposite scenario. If price breaks above the upper band in an uptrend and a red diamond appears, that's your signal that a reversal back down into the channel is coming. There's another feature I really like here. The price bars themselves are color-coded. This gives you an additional quick visual, almost like a heat map, showing whether the price action is bullish, bearish, or neutral based on where it sits within the regression structure. You'll also spot these directional arrows that appear based on a future projection feature, giving you hints about the expected direction of price movement. Let me walk you through the settings so you understand what drives this indicator. Click the gear icon to open the settings panel. In the Inputs tab, look at the Settings Band section first. There's a checkbox labeled Plot Linear Regression Bands, enabled by default, which creates those outer boundary bands. Just beneath that sits the length parameter at 150. This determines how many historical bars the indicator analyzes when building the bands. Higher values produce smoother, wider bands that respond slowly. Lower values create tighter bands that react faster to recent movement. The Deviation Linear Regression Bands parameter sits at 3. This setting determines bandwidth. Increase it to capture larger price swings with wider bands. Decrease it for tighter bands closer to center. In the Settings Channel section, you'll find Plot Linear Regression Channel unchecked initially. Enable this to display the central trend channel. This section includes its own channel length at 150 and Deviation Linear Regression Channel at 1, governing its historical lookback and width dimensions. Scroll to the Future Projection Channel area where both Plot Future Projection of Linear Regression and Plot Arrow Direction start unchecked. Activate these to reveal the forecast line and directional arrows on your chart. Each comes with dedicated length and deviation controls for fine-tuning the projection calculations. At the bottom, the Inputs and Status Line checkbox determines whether indicator values display on your chart's status line. In the Style tab, multiple toggle options let you control visual elements. The bar heat map display, bar coloring, diamond markers, labels, fill patterns, and line visibility. Make your adjustments, then confirm with OK. Alright, theory is one thing, but let me walk you through some real chart examples so you can see exactly how I'd execute trades using this indicator. But first, let's speak about the exchange I personally use, Femex. It's a professional exchange built for real traders. Fast, secure, and incredibly smooth whether you're trading spot or futures. They've also added some amazing features: copy trading, zero-fee spot markets, and a brand new earn section. So your crypto keeps working for you even when you're saying romantic things to your girlfriend while pretending you're not checking the charts. And here's something that makes it even better. If you sign up using the link in my description, Femex gives you a 20% deposit bonus on your first funding. So if you deposit $1,000, you'll receive an extra $200 to trade with. What I personally love is how responsive their 24/7 support team is. You can ask them literally anything at any hour and they'll actually help you fast. Alright, let's jump back to the video. I'm going to show you both buy and sell setups, complete with entry points, stop loss placement, and take profit strategies. Let's kick things off with a buy trade scenario. Take a look at this spot on the chart right here. Price has been trending slightly upward in general, and we're getting a nice clean pullback right into that lower band. This becomes a critical moment. We're sitting here waiting to see if price shows any reversal characteristics. And boom, there it is. A blue reversal diamond prints right after price touches and dips slightly beneath the lower regression band. So now we've stacked our confirmations. Price reached oversold territory down at that band, and we've got a reversal diamond signal lighting up. This is where we enter a buy position on the candle immediately following that blue diamond appearance. Your stop loss placement goes just beneath the recent swing low for protection. For your take profit strategy, you have options. Target the midline of the channel as your first objective, with a second partial target near the upper band if momentum continues strong. Alternatively, you can structure it around a fixed risk-to-reward ratio if that's your preference. Here's something most traders overlook. Whenever these reversal diamonds materialize at the extreme edges like this, zoom your chart out and verify the slope of your regression channel. If it's still angled upward, that confirmation adds serious weight to the reversal setup you're about to take. Now check out this second buy trade opportunity. Right here, we can observe price touching the lower band once again. And once more, those blue diamonds appear, broadcasting strong potential for mean reversion back towards center. If you notice the candles shifting their color to blue after some time passes, that makes the signal even more robust. We can initiate a buy position at this location. Your stop loss again sits below the recent swing low. Take profit can be configured based on your trading style. I've demonstrated two different approaches you can implement. But in this more sideways price environment, I'm being somewhat more conservative with my target because price might hesitate midway through the move. Pro tip: if you observe multiple diamonds stacking up within just a few candles, it's typically a stronger reversal zone, particularly if volume surges simultaneously. That's the market screaming at you that something significant is about to unfold. Now let's examine some sell trade scenarios. Here's a prime example. Price has been climbing steadily, then pushes above the upper band, and we spot a red reversal diamond materializing. If the candles simultaneously start fading from blue to neutral coloring, that's powerful confirmation that momentum is evaporating. We can open a sell position here. Following the red diamond appearance, your stop loss positions just above the recent swing high. The take profit target can be set toward the middle of the regression channel, or you can implement a 2-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio structure. Critical tip here: always combine the diamond signal with the band location and candle color shift or any other price action confirmation you trust. Don't rush in purely because a diamond appeared. Let all the conditions align and stack up together before pulling the trigger. So, as you've witnessed, this linear regression channel isn't merely a visual overlay on your chart. When you use it correctly, it becomes a precision instrument that delivers high-quality trade setups consistently. The bands define your reversal zones. The diamonds provide your entry signals. The color-coded candles give you confirmation, and the future projection lines can help guide where to expect price to go next. But always remember, building a real trading strategy demands more than one indicator alone. You must incorporate your own analysis, do your own research, and manage your risk. If you found value in this video, remember to leave a like. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.